Hello, today we are solving May 2023 Unit 2 IAL paper question number 2 Part E. Prepare a budgeted statement of profit and loss for the garden sheds for all the stores of Green Time PLC for the 4-month period ending 31st December 2023. So let's prepare that. General profit and loss statement, you should know the revenue, okay, the total revenue across all 24 stores. Let's find out. Month we had in the first part A, we had prepared all the revenue for each of the stores. So let's add up all of them. So 345,600 plus 1000, 864,000. So when you add up all of this revenue, okay, so it is going to be equal to 864,000 purchases. So let's add up all the purchases that has happened across all the stores. That is 264 going to be equal to 264,000 plus 120,000 plus 72 and 48,000. Okay, 72,000 plus 48,000. So that is going to be equal to 504,000. So 504,000. So let's write it here. The total purchases was 504,000. Then what was the inventory left after the sales? Inventory is going to be equal to closing inventory is going to be equal to here the closing inventory on December was 4 units left at the end. So that is going to be equal to 4 units, each costing 250 pounds. That was the cost of purchase was around 250 pounds. 250 pounds across 24 stores. So that is going to be equal to 4 into 250 into 24, that is equal to 24,000 pounds. So 24,000 pounds. So let's calculate 24 stores. So that is going to be equal to 24,000. So less 24,000. Now you had some purchases, you had some revenue. The purchases at the end, the total purchases was 504,000. Every opening was used up, opening, and some were sold and some were left. Then it was done like this for 4 months. At the end of the month, the total purchases was this much. You don't have to calculate opening inventory and closing inventory, but at the end, closing inventory left in December is calculated. Because it's only for 4-month period, you will calculate, find the cost of goods sold. So that is going to be equal to 504,000 minus 24,000. So that is equal to 480,000. 480,000 was the cost of goods. Now less the cost of goods you have to do from the revenue. To get gross profit. So the gross profit is going to be equal to 864,000 minus 480,000. That is going to be equal to 384,000 pounds. So this was the gross profit.